This is a video of doing tricks.
That's the simple knee spin.
The simple knee. And this is Nana.
You got the foot spin.
Where's fashion friendly?
Yep, the foot spin.
The nose spin. Oh! You gotta be careful, kids. They're very dangerous.
Oh.
Don't listen to him.
Fashion frenzies.
You gotta.
Here we go.
She's got 5 fidget spinners.
On the phone from here, it doesn't even look like it's even moving. It just looks like it's going really slow like
Chin
that.
spin. Oh, can't do the chin spin.
The chin spin. Oh.
Oh no, I was thinking cheap.
Don't press that, okay?
Okay. We got the spin chin. The chin spin. Can't do it. Here we go. Try again. The chin spin. There you go. Let's have a look at Peyton. She's doing the chin spin.
Hey!
What about the tongue spin?
You can't do that.
Just stick your tongue out.
It's too slippery.
Right. That's the tricky one. I don't do that because you're not supposed to put it in your mouth.
I was just about to say that.
Don't listen to that, kids. Do not do the tongue spin.
Can you do this?
So what's the teacher's name, Peyton?
My teacher's name is called Miss Guttridge.
I forgot.
Wait, you start that.
She's on YouTube.
Okay, now this is time for our fidget spinner. So this is Peppa's got the glow,
We got the light spin.
the light spin, and we got the glow in the dark ones.
What's it is? Oh no. Oh,
Now Peyton is playing Roblox right now. Charlotte's watching some fidget spinners. What are you watching? This is Charlotte. We all got the same.
In her hair.
Wait a minute. Did Charlotte get a glow in the dark one?
yeah, you all did.
Charlotte's got a medal.
Whoa.
So they're all
Yeah, but I don't know if mine even if mine even glows. I don't think it has enough light. Charlotte's was in a bag.
Didn't it glow in your room?
No, mine didn't glow.
Mine did. What is wrong with you?
You're using the wrong guy. Yeah, you can use Freddy Fazbear.
I love you.
Because that ain't mine anymore. Okay,
That's mine.
so now we have to end this video here. Now, subscribe and like.
Hi.
Bye.